Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I want to tell you about our DIY backyard ice rink. So I realize it is the end of the winter season here, which is why our backyard ice rink is all melted, but I want to show you guys what we did and tell you how you can recreate it in your own backyard. Let's get started. First, pick a place that's levelish. You don't need to go out of your way to level it because it isn't permanent. If you have a place where there is a trampoline or a pop-up pool in the summer, that'll work perfectly. You just might have to build up the lower side with more water if it isn't perfectly level. Then make a border. Our space already had a border with the railroad ties, but you could use 4x4s, make a wall with plywood, or even use straw or hay bales to line the space. Next, add a liner. We used a specific ice rink liner that we found online, and I'll add a link in the description below for you. Then, fill the rink with water. Know that you will have to let the hose run for a while when it's above freezing in order to get enough water in the space. Then, let it freeze. This might take a while depending on the size of your rink. For us, this actually took about 2 weeks of temperatures below freezing. Lastly, add some lighting, especially if you want to go skating at night. Thank you guys so much for following along today. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I'll have a full blog post linked below in the description so you can go to the blog at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com and get more instructions and more details on this DIY backyard ice rink. Also, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.